Service in
Here we go.
Aberdeen has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Clark County in northeastern South Dakota, east central Spink County in northeastern South Dakota, until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
This is crazy
At
weather.
1:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Raymond, or 11 miles west of Clark, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source,
This is
radar indicated.
weird.
Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will remain over.
Look at this. There's still snow outside, and this is a severe thunderstorm warning.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This is crazy weather, you guys.
Contact your nearest law enforcement agency.
I'm gonna turn that down a little bit. There's some crazy weather going on.
In Aberdeen. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in South Dakota: Clark and Spink.